are a new subscriber, no girl. What up, babe gang? You girls back with another video. If you're new to my channel, hi, be sure to like, comment and subscribe to your girl ting. And if you are a returning subscriber, you know how the ting set. Let's get active in the comment section. Yeah. But yeah, right now I'm actually just laying down my baby hairs, guys. Like, I've done my makeup, but I've just literally laid down my baby hair. You guys know that your girl loves her baby hair. Like, you know that, like, my baby hair have to do. Like, I'm sorry, but I'm just a baby hair fanatic. My subscribers actually said, like, girl, you need to teach us how to lay our baby hairs. But don't worry, I can do a tutorial on that because, yeah, you know, so I'm just temperamental. When it comes to baby hairs, my baby hairs have to be laid. Like, I can't be not doing my baby hair. But yeah, I'm actually going to crimp my hair today. Like, it's looking kind of rough. And I just wanted to come on here and have like a quick chit chat and just say, like, we should be supporting each other. Like, there's a lot of females out there doing their thing, and like, we shouldn't be intimidated because I feel like there's room, there is room for everybody to win. Like, just because, you know, there's a lot of girls out there at the moment doing their thing. Yeah, we shouldn't be intimidating. Like, for me, I started YouTube, and for me, that was a big deal, you know. Like, I spent a long time looking at other people saying, oh, I might not be like them. And that was something that I shouldn't have done, because comparing is the worst thing you can do. Like, you should never compare yourself. Like, don't do it. Like, you should never compare yourself to somebody else because you're different. Like, you have something different to bring to the table. So, always remember that. Like, when you're starting something, always remember that you have something different to bring to the table. Like, you're not the same as somebody else. Like, just because Tom's doing something and you're interested in doing it, you can still do it. Like, don't be ashamed, or, you know, said this thing and me is always fighting. But yeah, don't be ashamed to, like, start something new. Like, ladies, let's come on here and like encourage like you, because, you know, sometimes we look at other people and we say, oh, I want to do this, I want to do that. Like, do not wait till it's too late. Like, if there's something you really want to do, like, start it. Like, if there's something you really want to do, like, just do it. Because when it's too late, that's when you're always questioning yourself, and you're always like, oh, I wish I had done it. Like, you know, I wish I had, like, started something and stuff. Like, you know, as I said, like, with me and YouTube, like, I wanted to start this for a long time. And, like, I just kept doubting myself. Like, I kept saying to myself, oh, I don't know what I'm going to do. What am I going to film? How am I going to film? And it just takes a point where, like, enough is enough, like, with your excuse. It's like, Selena, like, get up, put the camera on and just do what you're doing. Like, you know, like, enough is enough. Like, I came to tell you today, enough is enough. If there's something you want to do, do it. Like, don't be sitting there and not doing it. If there's something you want to achieve in life, go for it. If nobody else is going to believe in yourself or big up your damn self because you're cute like that. Okay? Yeah, because I don't understand. Like, you don't need somebody else to validate you. You don't need somebody else to say, yeah, like, you should do this, or you're good at. No, you should already know, like, believe in yourself, like, be confident in yourself, like, you got this. Do you know what I mean? Like, there is room for everybody to win, you know. But yeah, I actually went to another YouTuber's event. Miss R Fabulous, and I've been following her for a long while. Like, I really like Miss R Fabulous. Like, Miss R Fabulous reminds me of my family. Like, I don't know, like, her and Shantanya Bedford are two YouTubers that I really do love, as well as Patricia Bright. Shantanya and R Fabulous are two people that I really do like. But yeah, I went to Miss R Fabulous event, to her meet and greet, and it was really nice, like, seeing her mum. Like, her mum reminds me of her mum. Like, big up Mummy Fabulous, straight big up Mummy Fabulous. Okay. But yeah, big her up straight. Yeah, like, Renee is just like, she's vibesy, she's fun, she's caring, she's loving. It was just nice to see how she is in person. how she is in person, as well as obviously you see somebody on the camera and you feel like sometimes we all get like that. Oh, we don't know how they will be like in real life, but she is who she is. Like, it's just like that, and that's all you can love about her. It was good to see Goddo Phillips as well. Big up Goddo Phillips, because me and Goddo Phillips are from the, we have a connection, you know, like area wise. Like, yeah, like it was so nice to know like somebody's like, oh, you're not far from me. Like, yeah, it's really, really good. But yeah, like that was really nice meeting him and stuff. So I definitely want him to be creating some of my designs very, very soon. I'll probably be after I'm back from holiday. But yeah, like we need to support like people more. Like I just feel like people are too bad mind, and like they will just do the most, like have hatred for what? Because somebody's doing good. Like, you should be congratulating that person. Like, sis, like it's not that deep. Like, you should be congratulating that person. Why are you gonna hate on somebody else's success? Like, it just doesn't make no sense. I don't get when people do it. I don't get when people do it. People always, like, my mum always tell me about like jealousy. She always says, oh, Selena, don't you see they're jealous or whatever. She always warned me when like of jealous people and stuff. Like growing up, she used to like tell me all the time. And like I used to have that. I'm so like nice to people and stuff. And like my mum used to be like saying to me, be careful, because, you know, people will be jealous of you for no reason. Like they pretend they're your friends, and then they're not your friends. Like they're backstabbing, like, you know, they do things. And like, lucky for me, I don't think I've met a lot of them, but when I pick up certain habits, like, and I feel like that's how you are, then I just stray. Like, I will distance myself purely because of the fact of, like, I'm not about to mix with somebody that ain't gonna do good by me. Like, no, like, most of my friends that you see, like, they actually cheer me on, and I cheer them on. Like, they're like my sisters. They're not even friends no more. Do you know what I mean? Like, so for me, if I don't have that same love or same energy from people, like, I really don't want it. Like, you can keep that bullshit. Like, I'm past 25. Nobody has time for them something there. Like, nobody has time to be like wishy-washy. Like, it's proper wishy-washy. It's like, you know them wishy-washy people, like, they don't know if they like you. 1 minute they do, they don't. Nah, it's not about that life. Like, we just really need to support each other. And it's just like all about that. Oh, this thing. Yeah, but we do really need to support each other. Like, you know, if you see somebody doing their thing, like, really support them. Like, and it can be many ways. Support comes in many ways. It doesn't have to be financial. It can be like just supporting them by promoting them, being around them, going to their events. Like, it can be things like that. So, you know, there's different ways, to be honest, to support people. But yeah, oh, I need to redo that one. But yeah, like, I literally just wanted to come on and have a good little talk with you guys. And just, yeah, let me know what you guys are doing for the summer as well. Your girl's going away in a couple weeks. Don't worry, babe gang. Y'all are coming with me. Yeah, your girl's going away, but y'all are coming with the girl herself. But yeah, I will definitely be vlogging that experience. I'm going to do my best to, like, yeah, do as much as possible, because I think it's going to be a good. Yeah, I think it's going to be a good experience. So your girl's definitely excited for a holiday. And I don't want to spoil it yet until I release the vlog. Your girl don't want to spoil her thing. But yeah, like, I'm going to try my best and capture, like, all the good moments and stuff. And yeah, just record it and make the most of it, you know? Make the most of it. Make the most of it. But I've got another, like, I've got another beauty look coming out very soon. I'm gonna do, you know, see, your girl love the color thing. You know, your girl loves colors, so your girl will be doing a color look very soon with my girl Jada, very soon. So I'm excited because I love summer. I love, like, changing my hair and, like, summer vibes. Like, I just want to be going to a hella load. I just want to be going, like, somewhere with food, like barbecues and yeah, them kind of things there. Yeah, me and my friend actually plan to have a barbecue, so yeah, I'll probably be vlogging the day with us. Like, we actually want to do like a barbecue day and stuff as well. But has anybody watched Avengers, like the end? Like, I've been crying about it, like, not literally crying, but I've been wanting to like see it for a while, and people are just doing the most to me. Like, why does nobody want to go and see it? I'm joking, I'm actually meant to be seeing it tonight or tomorrow, but I really want to see the movies. I haven't been to cinema in a long time. I can't remember. I love films. I love like going to watch new films. That's something I actually really do love. So, you know, see a girl love going to see a new film and stuff. So yeah, I actually want to know, like, my sister's saying that she's not gonna go because she needs to watch Captain America, all the other ones before she watches Ant-Man, all the other ones before she actually goes and watches it, because she wants to make sense. Oh, what's going on here? Sometimes things just go left, I swear. Things actually go left. But yeah, I actually just wanted, like, I'm gonna do like this one again because I'm so temperamental. Let me know if you guys are going to like any festivals this year. I know Wireless is on. I don't know about any other festivals. Obviously there's Carnival. But no, guys, who saw Carnival in the Caribbean? Let me tell you, I was thinking I was there. Like, it was like a day of excitement. I'm not gonna lie, it lasted for a day, and then after that, boy, it was just like the excitement just left. No more excitement. I swear, it was there and then it just left. It was like excitement, and then it was just like, no more excitement. No more excitement. Right part to show. Like, you know, like, I'm just like, guys, crimp look. But I get like confused in the, okay, I think I'm feeling this puffy look, like not looking uniform. I just hate when things look uniform and look like, girls liking the puffy look. I think it looks cute and hella jazzy, but yeah. I think I like it. Like, I'm actually gonna try this look curly, just because I like the highlights, and yeah. But be sure to comment, like, subscribe, tell your girl what you want to see. But I'll see you in my next video. Bye, thank you.